This is the solution to practice problem proposed at the end of the command line arguments tutorial in this same playlist. The goal is to edit your Hangman program to make the answer come from a command line argument instead of a constant at the top. It should be able to be a single or multi-word. If there are no command line arguments given, throw an illegal set exception with information explaining what went wrong. So I have Hangman here, so I'm going to copy it and paste it inside my command line arguments with CLA. So here I have the answer set here, and instead I want string answer to equal get answer from args. So I'm going to create the method getAnswer with string arg. I'm going to say string answer equals the empty string. First things first, I'm going to check up here and say if args.length equals 0, throw new illegal state exception with no answer given as a command line argument. Don't need this semicolon. Okay, let me move this over so I have more room. Okay, so for the answer, I'm going to say for string arg in args, answer plus equals arg plus the empty string. And I'm going to do trim here because that'll get rid of that extra space in the end for me. And this is just saying that concatenation inside of a loop is not necessarily the best thing to be doing, but I don't care at this point. I'm just going to keep using the plus equals inside of this loop for now. Okay. And now I've got a couple of errors here because answer is not something I'm passing in. So I'm going to edit this to take in answer. And here, replace big A answer with lowercase answer. Looks like I got to pass in answer here as well. Okay, now I need answer there, and I need it here. And let's see, any other errors? I don't see any. Well, we might see some whenever I try to run this. So I want to be running Hangman. No, actually, I want to do run Hangman with CLA. And the first thing, I don't have any command arguments, so I should be hitting, oh, here we go. I forgot answer here as well. Okay, now I'm going to run it. So I don't have any command arguments, so it's throwing my illegal state exception like I expected because I don't have that command argument set up. I'm going to go to run, edit configurations. I'm going to make hello world, apply, okay, and then run it. So it wants me to enter a letter. I know that K is not there. Okay, doesn't contain a K, try again. L, there is an L, 3 L's. O, E, H, W, R, D. And I won. Great. So my game still works, and I'm getting my answer from the command line instead of from a constant at the top. and I'm throwing an illegal argument exception if I don't have a given answer, which is great. All what I wanted, and that's it. I hope that was helpful.